Store-bought cereal will kill you. So make your own at home. Here's how. Follow along. I have recipe. Kamate, kamate, kaora, kaora. Poof, magic. You don't need nothing other than this wonderful crap here. Delicious. All you really need is some mixed nuts, which I had to go back out to buy again because I ate it all while making video. Mixed nuts. Boom. A little bit of whatever the hell this is. Boom. Some coconut flake. Boom. Some rabbit food. Boom. Boom. If you survive the war, you wanna put in cinnamon. Boom. Easy. And now it is time for the liquid. Honey and coconut oil. Spatula. Mix, mix, mix. Bad boy. Dogs say bow wow. Liquid here and liquid there. A little bit of liquid everywhere. Bad boy. It's time. Boom. Bad boy. Get in there. Stay forever. Boom. Good boy.
Did you know most store-bought cereals and granolas are packed with hidden chemicals that can harm your health and even stunt your kids' growth? Scary, right? That's why it's time to skip the box stuff and make your own at home. Here, I added coconut flakes, flaked almonds, and dried cranberries for the perfect balance of crunch and sweetness. Want to make your own granola at home? An easy homemade granola recipe is coming up next. Watch for the link on your screen.
So much healthier than store-bought crap. Asti gospe, kako je ovo dobro. Welcome to future. I am now reindeer. Happy Merry. If you are interested in what this actually is, I made video. I link it somewhere around here. You look for it. Use brain. Like, subscribe, share. I don't care. Odjebi. Žderi rigaj.